Hello my people, hope you are faring on well. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix box braid using a different method. I'm going to use iron to secure the hair instead of a rubber band. Some people normally use rubber band, so in this video I'm just going to use iron to secure the hair. What you're going to do, you put your hair into two parts, then you put your extension in between the parted hair. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a yarn to secure the hair. As you can see, this is what I'm going to use to secure my hair. That is a yarn. I'm going to tie in the hair to hold the extension. Make sure you make it loose, because if you make it tight, you're going to break your hairline. You're going to break your hair. Just like this. After that, you assemble your extension. Then I'm going to make sure the hair is hidden in between the extensions. Then you braid your hair normally, as simple as this. That is, if you can't grip the hair from the root of your hair, this method is very simple. You can see the way I'm trying to hide my hair. This method is called tucking. Just trying to hide the hair. Just continue braiding your hair till the end. As you can see, from the root of my hair, it is just tight. It is not loose and it is not that too tight. If you make your hair tight, you will break your hair, especially your hairline. So just try to be humble.